There's no exact science to loading a dishwasher, but you can make the most of the wash cycle if you load it strategically. You'll want to load the bottom rack first with heavier items like pots, pans, cutting boards, and large bowls. Place these items upside down along the sides, where there's typically extra space. Put plates in the designated slots so they don't tap against each other. Placing smaller plates between larger ones will help boost water and airflow. Next, load cups, mugs, and glass drinkware into the top rack. Angle them slightly so water doesn't pool on the tops. Place small bowls, storage containers, and lids upside down in the center to ensure they get plenty of spray action during the wash cycle. To ensure a thorough cleaning, place your utensils and cutlery in the unit's utensil basket with the serving sides up and handles down. Always load sharp knives with the blade down. You'll also want to keep stainless steel and silverware separate. Otherwise, the silver may pit. And finally, avoid overcrowding the dishwasher. While it may seem efficient to wash as many dishes as possible in one cycle, an overcrowded dishwasher won't clean as effectively as it should. Now relax while your dishwasher does the work. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.